What's up, guys? Tesla Man here, and I am very excited because guess what? I'm gonna be building my first PC. Alright, so these are just some of the components I have right now. I got my ETS-N30 cooler for my CPU. I got the 8th generation i5 processor. I really wanted to go i7, but because of my budget, I stayed with the i5. Okay, I got my V3C Aorus Gaming 3 Wi-Fi motherboard, and I have my Enermax ECA3520 here as my computer case. So we're not going to be talking about all this. Oh, don't let me, I forgot, I got my 34-inch LG ultra wide monitor. Can't go wrong with that. All right, so we're not going to talk about any of this today. Only thing today we're going to talk about is this guy. Really, we're not going to talk too much about it. We're going to have our unboxing right now on the Enermax ECA3520. All right, let's open this guy up. It's huge. On the side. Oh, there we go. Just trying not to break it as we're taking it out. There we go. Let's get off this styrofoam here. Ew. All right, so one of the reasons why I went ahead and I went with this Enermax ECA3520 is because, hey, I like the tempered glass. So I got the tempered glass here so I can show off my motherboard, the LED lights, and all that good stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. And also you got two pre-installed 120 millimeter fans right there, bam bam, and then you also have two more 120 millimeter fans, or not pre-installed though, but the slots here, and another 120 millimeter fan here that's actually already installed. So I thought that was nice. I already got two LED 120 millimeter fans right here already pre-installed. Bam. Really don't like how that kind of came off so easily. So like I got a pretty decent amount of space for cable management. As you can see here's my pre-installed LED fans right there. So that's gonna look really nice when that's lit up, powered on. And I'm probably gonna put another, at least one more 120 millimeter fan right here to increase circulation. Make sure this bad boy doesn't get too hot. See my cables for my front panel. There you go right there. They're running right here, coming out down here. So these are the connections for my front panel. Just got it neatly set up behind here. So that'll work. That'll work out nice. All right, guys. So if you look up here, you got your power button,
And if I remember correctly, I'm gonna have to double check on this, but I think this is to regulate the speed of the fan. All those two pre-installed fans is sitting there in the front. I'll double check. You got two USB ports here, and you got your jacks for your microphone and your headphone, and then you have two USB 2.0s. So that's nice right there, very convenient. All right, and it looks like the case comes off on both sides. See, like I say, you got that tempered glass on one side. Alright. And like this is how I can get to the front panel connections, and comes with a little user manual. And screws. Oh, isn't that nice? Thank you, Enermax. Awesome. All right, guys. I just want to do an unboxing here. I hope you guys look forward to taking a look at some of my other videos for this nice PC build I'm going to do. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Make sure you hit like if you did. If you did, make sure you give me some constructive feedback. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.